How to register for Manus AI for free. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, search for manus.im. And once you search for it, go ahead and tap on Get Started. Just like so, you'll be able to find two options to sign up with your Google or sign up with your Apple. Or if you would like to sign up manually, go ahead and fill this form. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and sign up using my Google account. So go ahead and select your Google account from this option. And just like so, after you choose your Google account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Join the Waitlist. But if you already have an invitation code, you want to go ahead and type the invitation code right over here, then tap on Get Started. For now, I don't have any code, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on Join the Waitlist. And just like so, you want to go ahead and fill the form to request an invitation to Manus. Go ahead and fill the form, tick this box that says I am a human and then submit request. And once you submit the request, you will then be able to get registered in Manus AI for free. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.